We've had our teams out in Issaquah overnight. We have new video that just shows some of the flooding problems people are scrambling to stop.
Let's get out to Ranji Sinha, who's live for us in Issaquah this morning. The water is rushing over roads and right into homes. Ranji.
Yeah, that is the case here right at Front Street in Newport Way. There are apartment complexes to either side of where we're standing here on Newport Way. And you can see I'm standing in about 6 to 8 inches of water. If I move back just a little bit, water covering the road, and you can see Issaquah Creek just flowing through this area. There's an apartment complex to my left. There's water rushing through there as if it was rapids. And this is a very severe situation. We were actually driving on Issaquah Hobart Road. We saw water rushing across the roadway in several different locations. And as Tracy mentioned, there's a section where they were trying to clear debris out. So clearly this is going to be a major problem. And you should check out some of the video that we saw overnight. This is heavy flooding that is hitting Issaquah. Some of the worst flooding since 2009. Issaquah is saying this is a heavy fight against flooding. It's severe. They're expecting a disaster. They are telling people that they should evacuate if they are in the path of heavy floodwater and flows, and they say you need ample supplies. You also have to see this video we got overnight. Flooded yards in Issaquah. As we were driving around Issaquah Hobart Road and other locations, we were seeing areas flooded out. We also saw the house of an 80-year-old woman. Water was almost up to her door. Our cameras caught up with help arriving for her just in time. And getting ready for this, we also saw sandbags being handed out at the Issaquah Community Center. City's actually giving them out, telling people that they need to prepare and be ready for this water.
I've been here 53 years. Well, it's frightening. I have a 93-year-old husband in here with dementia, and I didn't wake him. My neighbor was kind enough to call me about 11 o'clock and say your yard's full of water.
My, okay.
And otherwise I'd have slept right through this, I suppose. But
wow.
Yeah, it's frightening.
Yeah, and you can hear the concern in that woman's voice as the water continued to fill up her yard. We were seeing many yards being filled up and roadways filled with water as well. Several different points along Issaquah Hobart Road where water was flowing across the roadway. Right here at Front Street, the water hasn't exactly gone down. In fact, it is still continuing to flow through this area into these apartment complexes. It almost looks like a rapid, and we're going to continue to monitor the situation out here. Some people are starting to get up. We're seeing a little bit of traffic starting to build up as the morning wears on, and people are going to be running into these roadblocks and these situations all throughout town. We're live in Issaquah. Let's throw it back to you in the studio.
Ranji, thank you. We wanted to map out for you where neighbors can go to get sandbags. The city's public works operations team has a station open right now at the Issaquah Community Center. That's on Rainier Boulevard South. Volunteers will be there to help all morning long. If you have any questions, they ask that you call the number you see right on your screen, 425-837-3470.